Welcome to this explainer. I am so incredibly excited you're here today. We are going to explore the physical world all around us by looking at, well, kind of the secret code of our universe, the fundamental properties of everyday materials.
Okay, let's dive into this. Have you ever wondered what your favorite toys are actually made of? I mean, think back to the toys you loved as a kid. Or hey, even just look at the items sitting right on your desk right now. What are they actually made of? Why do they feel the exact way they do? Connecting these everyday items to their core building blocks just makes our immediate physical reality so much more interesting. Section 1. Meet the materials, the building blocks of our stuff. Basically, everything around us falls into a few major foundational categories. First up, we've got wood, the sturdy foundation for classic wooden toy trains and rocking horses. Then there's plastic. Plastic is highly versatile, perfect for building blocks or those little rubber ducks. Metal provides the sheer durability you need for things like staples, foil, or toy cars. And then, of course, fabric. Fabric offers that nice, yielding comfort we find in stuffed bears and silk cloth.
Section 2, exploring material properties, how we describe things. Let's move to and see how this builds, because now we're going to describe and group these materials based on their key properties. Let's start with texture, right? A jagged, unpolished stone is entirely defined by its rough, grating surface. Contrast that really high friction feel with something completely different, like delicate silk cloth, which is just perfectly, effortlessly smooth to the touch. Next up is weight and density. Solid stones and big weights, they require real, genuine effort to move because they are incredibly dense and heavy. On the total opposite end of the spectrum, materials like feathers are airy, delicate, and just remarkably light. And this brilliantly illustrates the whole concept of hard versus soft. A stone is totally unyielding and rigid. It's hard. But a material like cotton or your favorite pillow, it yields to pressure. It's incredibly inviting and soft. Finally, let's look at how materials behave when we try to actually change their shape. Think about a rubber band. You can pull it, you can bend it, you can stretch it easily. That makes it flexible. On the other hand, there are objects that stubbornly hold their shape no matter what you do. Objects that do not bend easily at all are what we call stiff. Section 3, quick practice checklist. Let's test your knowledge.
All right, time for a quick interactive game. First up, what is the main property of a stone? Take a second, think about exactly how it feels in your hand.
Hard and rough. Exactly. Nailed it.
Okay, next one. What is the main property of a feather?
Light and soft.
Awesome. Now, how about that cozy cotton or those pillows we talked about earlier?
You got it. They're soft. Great job. And for the final one, moving quick now, what is the main property of a rubber band? Flexible. Awesome job. So, the crucial point is that by just observing or handling an object, you are totally equipped to accurately describe how it behaves, using these core scientific properties.
Section 4. Your study tip, bringing it home.
Now, when you're going around categorizing objects around your classroom or your home, focus on these exact key descriptive words: hard, soft, heavy, light, rough, smooth, flexible, and stiff. Really, these are your absolute baseline tools for analyzing the physical world. So, I'll leave you with a final challenge today. Look around you right now. Can you identify just one object and name two of its properties? Then ask yourself, why did the creator of that object choose those specific materials? Keep observing, be a material detective, and you'll realize the secret code of our universe is literally hidden in plain sight.